Staking cryptocurrency allows investors to earn interest on their holdings. Unlike mining, though, no specific equipment is required. You're also not going to blow your electricity bill out of the water. Are you ready to stake your crypto investments to generate returns? So, which coins should you be putting your money on? But first, hello and welcome back to the channel. So please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of each new upload. Before we get started with our list, let's take a quick look at crypto staking. As a result, we can ensure that we are all on the same page in this debate. Bitcoin staking entails locking up one's cryptocurrency holdings to collect interest or rewards. In addition, staking is how certain blockchain networks validate transactions. Staking cryptocurrencies is a technique for investors to build their cryptocurrency holdings without buying more. Staking cryptos for maximum passive income is a legal approach to increasing one's current crypto assets yields. Investors who participate in staking get higher interest than with a traditional bank account. If you're interested in staking cryptocurrencies but aren't sure what it means, let us explain. But before we go there, it's essential to grasp what blockchain technology is all about. Blockchain technology is used to create cryptocurrencies. Before the necessary data can be put on the blockchain, transactions using such currencies must be validated. Staking is the name for this validation method. Let's take a closer look at it. There are no middlemen in blockchain networks since they are decentralized. This is in stark contrast to traditional financial systems, which rely on banks to serve as a storehouse for this public's money. As a result, decentralization necessitates the creation of a publicly accessible network record to promote complete transparency and authenticity across all transactions. Transactions are organized into blocks and submitted for inclusion in this permanent record. By the way, this is probably the most essential security aspect of blockchains. It's tough to deceive or hack because everything is visible and verifiable through a distributed public ledger. Users who possess these blocks will receive a transaction fee in cryptocurrency once these blocks are accepted. What role does staking play in all of this, you might ask? Why, acting as a precaution against possible errors and fraud during the process. Whenever a user proposes a new block or votes to accept one that's already offered, they risk losing some of their Bitcoin. This procedure encourages people to follow the regulations. In theory, the more crypto a user invests, the more likely they will collect transaction fee benefits. However, if a user's proposed block is found to contain fraudulent or erroneous data, the stake they put up will be forfeited. This is referred to as slashing. Staking can be done in two ways, one of which is far more complicated than the other. Staking through a crypto platform, such as an exchange, will be the most convenient option for most customers. It's as easy as depositing your coins and agreeing to let them be staked. Staking is available on popular exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. The other alternative is to put up your own staking node, which requires some experience. You may also run across staking minimums that are excessively expensive if you're staking independently. On a significant platform, that shouldn't be an issue. It's important to remember that not every coin can be staked. However, here are a few examples of the best cryptocurrencies that can be staked. The Algorand is first on our list. It is a proof-of-stake cryptocurrency that prioritizes scalability, security, cost minimization, and network transaction speed optimization. It can be used to create smart contracts, decentralized applications, and NFT minting. It can also be utilized for decentralized finance and loans. It has a market capitalization of over $10 billion as of writing. If you're interested in investing in this coin, you can do it through Coinbase, Crypto.com, Binance, and Binance.us, where it has the highest return of 14.47%. The next game is Avalanche. It is a relatively new coin on the market that was created to be used for constructing smart contracts for dApps and paying transaction fees. It's the quickest smart contract platform with the most validators working on proof of stake. In addition, it is compatible with Ethereum's programming language, Solidity. As of this writing, it has a market capitalization of more than $23 billion. It has the highest rate of return at 13.47%. If you're interested in investing, you can do it through Crypto.com and Binance. Binance Coin comes in at number 3 on our list. This is because it's the cryptocurrency issued by Binance, which is already one of the world's top cryptocurrency exchanges, and it's used to pay the exchange's fees. This is so that users of Binance can save money by paying their fees in Binance Coin. Binance Coin currently has a market capitalization of $96 billion, with an average rate of return of 8.69%. This is the highest rate of return ever recorded. If you're interested in investing in this coin, you can do so via Crypto.com and Binance. Good day, mate. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it thus far. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. Returning to our list, Cardano is a cryptocurrency that aims to improve Ethereum's design by emphasizing flexibility, sustainability, and scalability. It can be used to generate smart contracts, DeFi, dApps, and new cryptocurrency tokens, among other things. In addition, its robust proof-of-stake system aims to address the energy consumption issues with Bitcoin mining. Cardano's blockchain has also been split into 2 layers. The first layer keeps track of account balances and transactions, while the second is used to execute dApps. It has been able to attain breakthrough transaction speeds due to this. With a market cap of over $62 billion, it boasts the greatest rate of return ever recorded at 8.38%. You may trade it on eToro, Kraken, Crypto.com, and Binance if you're interested. Ethereum is the second most popular cryptocurrency after Cardano. You may have heard of Ethereum, the world's second most valuable cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. It's made for smart contracts, but it can also be used for DeFi, dApps, games, etc. It can be used for international payments, non-ferrous tokens, and the creation of new tokens. Ethereum began as a proof-of-work coin but is currently transitioning to a proof-of-stake protocol. According to Crypto.com, it has the highest rate of return of 8.5% and a market capitalization of approximately $504 billion. So, proceed to Coinbase, eToro, Kraken, Crypto.com, Gemini, or Binance if you wish to stake Ethereum. And then there's the Polkadot. This makes it possible to communicate securely between different blockchains such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. It uses parachains or parallel blockchains to speed up transactions. As a result, it is substantially faster than Bitcoin or Ethereum in terms of transaction speed, and it has the potential to become even faster. Binance has had the best rate of return at 16.62%. Polkadot currently has a market capitalization of more than $41 billion. If you're interested in staking this coin, you can do it on Kraken, Crypto.com, or Binance. Polygon is the next item on our list. This token on the Ethereum network uses sidechains to improve transaction speeds and minimize costs by running parallel with the main Ethereum blockchain. In addition, it allows users to move Ethereum tokens from the Ethereum blockchain to the Polygon blockchain and back. Polygon has a market capitalization of $11 billion and the greatest rate of return at 14.09%. If you're interested in investing in Polygon, you can do it via Crypto.com, Gemini, or Binance. Solana, an Ethereum competitor, is coming up next. It's designed to accomplish many of the same things as Ethereum, but with faster transaction speeds. Solana tokens are used to pay transaction fees, allowing holders to vote on how the network is administered. It can be used by smart contracts, DeFi, and various other things. Kraken has the highest rate of return with a 6.5% rate return. Solana is traded on Kraken, Crypto.com, and Binance. Oh, and did we mention that it has a market capitalization of $18 billion? We'll be discussing Terra now. This is a DeFi platform for the creation of decentralized stablecoins. It may be used to establish smart contracts, plus token holders have voting rights in the Terra protocol's governance. It currently has a market capitalization of approximately $18 billion and can be staked on Crypto.com, Gemini, or Binance. Last but not least, we have the USD coin, a stablecoin, a cryptocurrency whose value is fixed to the US dollar to offer a less volatile alternative to other cryptocurrencies. It is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency that can be used to pay for Ethereum smart contracts. It has a current market cap of around $34 billion and can be staked on Coinbase or Binance. Staking your coins on a POS blockchain network is a terrific strategy to create large yields and earn passive income. These low-risk investments can offer dividends if you take your money out at the right moment. You should now know all you need to start staking after listening to this video. Which of these coins are you interested in staking? That concludes today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. And we'll see you in our next video.